Welcome to today's tutorial, to designers and visualizers using AutoCAD. I introduce the AutoCAD SketchUp D5 workflow for higher efficiency with real-time rendering. Here I'll show you how it works with a modern interior scene. You can download this scene and have a try yourself. First, check the CAD drawings we need here, which should include floor plan, floor finish, and reflected ceiling plan. Delete all the marks. Select all CAD drawings. Use the shortcut key to export them separately. Import the CAD drawings to SketchUp. Explode the drawings. Then you can start to model. Now the model is ready for visualization. Install D5 Converter to connect SketchUp and D5 Render. Click on Start to sync the model into D5 Render. Now you can enjoy instant visualization in D5. First, adjust the exterior light. Select a cloudy HDRI so the scene will have a gray tone. Place a few rectangular lights outside the windows. Adjust their size and position to light up the whole space. Adjust the altitude and azimuth of HDRI sun, then give it a warmer tone so the scene won't look too cold. Now move on to interior lighting. Same as what you did to exterior lighting. Put some rec lights near the window first. Adjust their intensity and attenuation radius, so the room will be brighter. To build a cozy, comfortable space, you can add more artificial lights around the house. For example, some strip lights in the cabinet, and a rectangular light in the stairwell. Warm yellow tone is a magic formula for creating a relaxing vibe. Don't forget to adjust the color and the size as well. Now it's time to fine-tune the textures, which is an easy and real-time process in D5 Render. You can turn on triplanar for the materials of a regular object. Switch on round corner to give it a soft edge. Now think about the real world. Objects often have dirt on their surface. A tip to quickly achieve this effect is to insert a map of dirt into the column of roughness. Remember to adjust their UV and color properly. Now, the room still lacks furniture. This is where the D5 asset library comes in handy. Sofa, lamps, curtains, decorations. You get plenty of stuff to choose from. Adjust their materials and size as you need. The scene is all set to render. Animation is an optimal choice to demonstrate the atmosphere of the scene, and it's made super easy with D5. Just add the camera shots you need to the timeline. To better display the object, it's recommended to use a small field of view. Another tip is to create a shift of camera focus. Set different depth of field for the first and last shots. This will help you better compose the picture. Finally, let's export the animation clips. And here is our final work. completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.